Hi everybody, so today we're just going to jump right in. We are going to make a drawing into a mom-to-be baby shower button on Zazzle. So right now I'm just quickly drawing a little bee. Doesn't have to be perfect, just make it cute. And then we're going to scan it into Photoshop. And when it's in Photoshop, we'll crop it and color it in, make the background transparent. Then I think I might want to make the wings transparent too. So after I add this little flying trail here, I'm gonna erase the white inside the wings. So now I'm gonna I'm gonna put another saved copy of this bee on top. See how that makes the wings white again? So now I'm gonna go to layer, and then layer style. Then I'm gonna go to opacity and just slide it back a little. See how the wings become a little translucent then. I'm gonna erase that stinger. And there you go. Now you'll be able to see through the wings a little bit. You'll be able to see the background whenever I put it on. Okay, now save it as a PNG to your computer. Oops, I forgot to hit PNG, didn't I? Gonna have to do that again. Okay, so save it as a PNG. That keeps the background transparent and the wings transparent too. So see right there where it says Photoshop, change that to PNG. Okay, now we're gonna upload this to Zazzle. So hit create your own and then go to buttons. And pick out what buttons you want to use. It's saying it's sold out right now, but they'll get more in soon. Okay, so hit add image. Go to upload images, and then you can pick whatever you want from your computer. And upload it. Okay, just center the bee how you want. You can make it bigger or smaller. And then we're going to add text. This is going to be a mom-to-be baby shower button. So we'll, let's put mommy-to-be on there. Over on the right side, you can make it larger or smaller or change the font or the color of the text. I don't like the spacing there. It looks a little too big between mommy and two. Let's look at some of the other fonts first. You can just go through and see all the different fonts and pick the one you like. I think I like this one. It's kind of my go-to text. I just think it's so cute. All right, let's get this all centered. think I'm going to turn Mommy into a template. That way people can change it to Daddy or Grandma. So I'm going to put in edit family member. That way the customer can customize it however they want, easier. Alright, so let's add a little bit of a background to this. You can leave it white if you want. I'm just going to, for fun, add a little bit to it. Okay, so we're going to add a little blue circle back there, just to add some cuteness to it. Just fooling around with it a little bit here. Okay, let's add a honey background to this. So I'll have that little blue circle and a honey background, and this is what it looks like. So when you're happy, just hit done and click on sell it. Okay, now write in your title. Okay, now in your description, make sure to put in some keywords and stuff so that customers can find your product on a search. Things like baby shower, mom to be, bee-themed baby shower. Just add in whatever you think people would search to find your product. The more words you use, the better here. These baby shower buns are really popular now too. Not every mom wants to wear a big sash over their big belly. So these buttons are nice. And they're a lot more affordable, so you can get one for every family member. The mom, grandma, auntie, godmother, big sister, little brother, daddy, whatever, you know. Okay, so add in the category and recipient there. For some reason my computer's acting up. Doesn't want to hit the recipient, so there we go. Just took a minute. Okay, so we'll add the mom to be. And then go down to the stores. I think I'll put it in my baby shower store. You can see a list of my stores below in the description. Okay, so now we'll put in the tag words. So think of words that people would search to find the product you're making. Baby shower buttons, bee-themed baby shower, things like that. Then add the tags. You can put 10 tags in Zazzle. Rated G, 10% royalty. And yes, I have the right to publish this. Okay, now post it. Then hit go there now if you want to see what it looks like. And there it is. Now we're going to edit the design again. And this time I won't talk through the whole thing. I'll just put it in fast forward and you can just watch me make a different one. You make sure to tweet and pin your product once it's done on social media.